Forget the limits. Forget the paved path. If you've ever dreamt of true, uncompromising freedom, where the 5-star suite comes with you, no matter how remote the destination, then you're in the right place. Most RV tours show you a nice kitchen and a comfy bed. But today, we are unlocking the secrets of a machine built for a different kind of life. A life where long-term boondocking isn't a challenge. It's the default. This is the Cadillac Zenith, the closest thing you can get to a mega-yacht on 12+ wheels, and it is packed with off-grid technology that you simply won't believe. Stick around, because we are revealing the 3 best-kept secrets that make the Zenith the king of the road and the king of the wild. If you're serious about full-time RV living, this is the one you need to see. Let's get into it. Welcome back to Motorhomes USA. And for years, we've toured the best motorhomes this country has to offer. But what you're looking at here, the Cadillac Zenith, isn't just a motorhome. It's a statement. It's the convergence of classic American grand luxury. You see the Duesenberg-esque grille and the flowing lines of a classic Packard, with the silent, powerful heart of a modern Cadillac EV concept. The name Zenith perfectly fits this pinnacle of luxury motoring. Why is this specific model a favorite among the most dedicated full-time RV enthusiasts? The answer is its uncompromising foundation. Look at this chassis. We are talking about a custom, multi-axle platform, likely a 12x12 all-wheel drive system with all-wheel steering, giving it the stability and maneuverability of a vehicle half its size. This isn't a modified bus or truck. It was designed from the ground up for extreme durability and self-sufficiency. That low-slung, heavy-duty stance, the yacht-grade finish, and the panoramic windows, it screams durability and comfort. It's the ultimate off-grid potential machine, and the perfect canvas for the customizations we are about to show you. It's engineered to disappear into the remote wilderness for months and still feel like a luxury penthouse. Let's dive into the mods that make this possible. Now, the factory Cadillac Zenith is incredible, but for our channel, we focus on making the best motorhome even better, especially for long-term boondocking. The biggest modifications here center around energy and endurance. First up is the power system. We've quadrupled the standard solar array. The roof, all 3 levels of it, is covered in ultra-thin, high-efficiency, nearly invisible solar film, giving us a massive, continuous power supply. This feeds an expanded battery bank housed in this lower bay. We are talking about a custom-built solid-state lithium bank capable of holding enough power to run the entire 3-deck rig, including the 2 commercial-grade AC units, the galley appliances, and the integrated spa, for over a week without a single ray of sun. That's the kind of off-grid living independence we crave. But power is only half the story. Stability is crucial on uneven terrain. This custom Zenith features a fully upgraded, computer-controlled active air suspension with hydraulic leveling. Think of it as a massive evolution of Cadillac's legendary ride control. You can see the complexity right here near the front axles. This system constantly monitors road conditions, adjusting the ride height and stiffness in real time. It can lift the chassis significantly for rock crawling or drop it down for easy entry, all while keeping the rig perfectly level for maximum comfort. This isn't just a comfort upgrade. It's an off-road motorhome necessity, ensuring the Zenith is virtually unstoppable, no matter where your adventure takes you. These 2 mods, the extreme power and the intelligent suspension, are the Zenith's foundational secrets to surviving and thriving anywhere. Step inside, and you immediately realize you're not in an RV. You're in a mobile apartment that rivals the most exclusive penthouses. The focus in the Cadillac Zenith's main deck is pure, unadulterated livability. That's key for full-time RV living. The panoramic windows, which are actually electrochromic, meaning they tint instantly at the touch of a button, flood the space with natural light but offer complete privacy when needed. The galley, we can't call this a kitchen, is commercial grade. We are talking induction cooktops, a full-size residential refrigerator, and a massive, hidden pantry with smart storage that utilizes every square inch. The secret to living comfortably in a motorhome is storage, and the Zenith excels with automated drawers and compartments that maximize space without cluttering the sleek lines. But perhaps the most vital feature for today's digital nomad is the dedicated workspace. Right here, nestled next to the main viewing lounge, we've created a command center. It features an integrated standing desk, a 5G-enabled Starlink satellite system discreetly mounted on the roof, and multiple charging ports, all powered seamlessly by that enormous battery bank we discussed earlier. This is a crucial modification for anyone trying to maintain a professional career while exploring the world. It's not just a fold-out table. It's a dedicated, ergonomic office. The rear of this deck leads to the primary staterooms, each designed to feel more like a luxury boutique hotel than a bedroom on wheels. The design philosophy is simple. Never compromise on comfort, even if you're 100 miles from the nearest town. This is the ultimate luxury coach designed for the long haul. Okay, let's talk about the experience. Driving the Cadillac Zenith is, well, it's nothing like driving any other large RV. Because of that powerful all-electric, multi-motor system, the acceleration is instantaneous and silent. It feels less like driving a heavy-duty coach and more like gliding a high-end luxury sedan. The all-wheel steering makes navigating tight turns and even maneuvering in small campsites surprisingly easy. But what about the journey itself? The sheer mass and the sophisticated air suspension completely eliminate road fatigue. You barely feel the bumps. For full-time RVers who spend thousands of miles a year on the road, that reduction in driver fatigue is an absolute game-changer. Now, a big question we always get with an EV motorhome this size is fuel economy, or rather, energy economy. The Zenith's unique design and regenerative braking are incredibly efficient. While charging can take time, the 1,000+ mile estimated range means you can easily plan for overnight charging stops or, better yet, rely on your massive solar array for top-ups during the day. So, as we wrap up this tour, let me summarize the top 3 reasons an enthusiast who is serious about off-grid, full-time living would choose the Cadillac Zenith over anything else. 1. The extreme duty. Multi-axle chassis built for unparalleled stability and durability. 2. The massive, integrated solar and battery power system for true, long-term self-sufficiency. And 3. The yacht-grade interior comfort and dedicated workspace that truly make this a home, not just a vehicle. It's the pinnacle of the luxury motorhome world. That's the Cadillac Zenith. It represents the ultimate fusion of classic American luxury and the bold, sustainable future of travel. It's a vehicle that doesn't just let you travel. It lets you live without compromise, exploring the edges of the map while still enjoying all the comforts of home. For us at Motorhomes USA, this journey, this RV life, is about freedom, connection, and discovering the next incredible view. And having a rig like this only amplifies the adventure. Now, it's your turn. We've shown you our secrets for long-term boondocking in the Zenith. What are your best RV hacks? Do you have a clever storage solution, a favorite energy-saving tip, or an essential mod you can't live without? Drop a comment below and share your best RV hack with the Motorhomes USA community. Don't forget to like this video if you love the Cadillac Zenith, and subscribe to Motorhomes USA for more exclusive motorhome tours. Until the next adventure, keep exploring.